If you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I'm a fan of trying different camera brands, and right now I personally own 4 different cameras from 4 different manufacturers. One of the reasons is because every manufacturer has their different strengths, and so I select the right camera for the job depending on what I'm shooting. Till now, I've never shot medium format, and I've always wondered what I'm missing out on, so I rented the GFX 50S for the weekend, and I did a portrait/street shoot, and here's what I discovered. Now first of all, this isn't going to be a spec video because this camera is quite old. I'm going to show you a comparison between it and some full-frame cameras, and then tell you whether I'll be switching to digital medium format.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete objective, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the record.
Over the years of shooting, here's what I've decided are my pillars of a good camera. Good colors, autofocus, good glass. I love all the bells and whistles that come with the latest and greatest cameras, but so long as a camera has good glass, decent autofocus, and colors, I'm happy and everything else is a bonus. In regards to glass, GFX lenses are super sharp, so there are no complaints there. They're expensive, and they don't have the largest selection, but it's easy and affordable to adapt glass, especially vintage medium format glass from other manufacturers, so I'll say in that regard, I'm satisfied. When it comes to autofocus, this is not going to compete with your latest greatest Sony or Canon cameras, not even close. The sensor has only contrast detect autofocus, and while very precise, it's very slow. That said, when compared to DSLRs, it's about the same. For the entire time I had the rental, I had it on single point autofocus, and it performed very well in both well lit and low light conditions. I had already prepared myself to be disappointed, so I was pleasantly surprised that in all my testing the focus didn't hold me back. Keep in mind that everything that I shot does not require a lot of movement from my subject, so your mileage may vary. Now, the most important category here is image quality. If you're looking for the ultimate bokeh, you can get the exact same look with a full frame camera and the right lens. Secondly, from a distance when placed side by side, the images do not have a monumental difference, so naturally you may say to yourself, the conclusion here is full frame is good enough and just save your money, right? No. When I zoomed into the first image I took on the GFX, I cannot describe the feeling that I had. It was like being able to truly see for the first time after being blind. The richness and the accuracy of the colors combined with the immense detail without overshadowing was everything that I'd been looking for. To you, the end user, it'll make zero difference, but the image quality gives me the drive to want to pick up this GFX and make art out of anything. That alone is enough for me to say that Fuji digital medium format is 100% worth it and will be my next camera, hopefully in the near future. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on medium format versus full frame. Leave them in the comments below, and if you appreciate this super long comparison, subscribe as we have a lot more comparisons coming. Thanks again for watching. Take care.